said the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. 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 Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back at you again with another banger. Yes, sir. Got my boy Kevin out here on the GSXR 1K. My boy Ty up there on the GSXR750, I believe, or it might be a 600. And we got my boy Aiden back here on the CBR600RR. I just had a bug fly in my helmet because I don't have my visor closed. Right on my nose, boys. Yes, sir. That place is pretty dope. I don't know if you can see it, but they have like vegetation in there with the pool. I'm pretty sure it's real too and alive. It's a little apartment complex right here. You don't see that every day. Not in an apartment complex. Let's get it, baby. How does it feel to be back on it? I believe it. Oh, I bet. I would be too. Yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah. I couldn't even hear you.
I know. Pop up sometimes.
This bike's loud as hell. I can't even hear him. It's like this. Gosh almighty. Yes, sir. You know what it is? You know what that means? They're wild. They're wild. That bitch was red. Same. Dude on the bicycle almost hit me. Nice little Harley out here. Little Harley action for y'all. All your friends invited. Oh, I'm hungry, eh? I haven't had nothing all day, bro. I and I'm starving. Yes, sir. We'll be back. For sure, it's a cop up there. Yep. Yeah, it's a cop. They just repaved this road. It is so smooth. Yes, sir. We're splitting up. We are going to Cookout. Let's get it. Do what? Oh, I seen it. Where'd Aiden go? Oh, there you are. Oh, God. Yeah. Sure is. He said she's ugly, she don't meet his standards. Hell yeah.
Let her hair down.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a busted bitch. It's busted. Nada. Nada. Here, go get some grub. I've not ate nothing, man. Over here hungry. Look at that Camaro. Sheesh. I think that helmet has the built-in Bluetooth stuff. Look at the flames that thing's shooting. That's crazy. Just riding and enjoying the day. That's all. So loud. Like I can hear mine, but like I can definitely hear his. That thing is dummy loud. Just a hungry fellow riding to go get some food. Thinking about doing a series called Spooky Saturdays. Pretty much where I ride around to like haunted places around my area and areas that I travel. Do a bunch of research on them first, you know, and tell y'all some facts and stuff about them. Stories about stuff that's happened there, you know, stuff like that. Go up there and eat maybe, do some footage there. Thinking about doing something like that. What do y'all think about that? Would you be into that kind of thing, or is that like, nah, man, that ain't for me? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments. Do what? Ride downtown once?
Yeah.
I don't care. I mean, we can. I'm hungry as a motherfucker though. You leave. I'm dead. That was loud. Big loud, bruh. I think I'm gonna hang out on this side of him.
That's why I just took off. But the one was talking like she was gonna be cool. She was ready to get on. The other two was like, oh, scared.
Oh, the two wasn't having it?
Yeah, they fucking.
I don't blame you.
I would have gave him the helmet and let him listen to music.
Hey, it was alright. It was alright, for real. It was bad.
It wasn't. He about ran over my toes. I'm hot and hungry. I'm hungry. Getting ready to start back up next week, I believe, here. So, there's that. That'll be fun. Hopefully come up here and get some videos, come to some football games. We're not finna go on red. Huh? Do what?
See him in there dancing?
Yeah.
Is it two girls?
Nah, I think it's a dude and a girl.
I'll go for
Let's go. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to smash the like button. Hit it with your elbow a couple times if you want to. Type in the comments, say something wild to me. Let's hear some questions. Y'all got any questions for me? We might do a Q&A here soon. I don't know, maybe. Let me know. Let's see what kind of other content we can bring to y'all. I want us to talk, be a good community, you know what I mean? But yeah, if you like that video, man, let me know. Subscribe. Oh yeah. But yeah, let me know if you like the video, you all. Comment, subscribe if you want to. We're gonna get some grub, and then I'm gonna go home and go to bed. So yeah. It is how it be. parking there? My pant leg just got caught. That was sketchy. Goodbye.